guys, welcome back to another weekly vlog. I haven't had a chance to vlog much this week because I've had exams and lots of stuff on. But today I thought I would show you guys all the stuff that I picked up for the kids lately. I picked up some cute clothes for them for winter, so I'm going to show you guys. So I have a few things for my son. He's still got a lot of pants that fit him from last year. A lot of them were quite long last year, so I had to roll them up. And he's really just sort of grown up this year, not out at all. Like my little string beans. So I think I bought him one pair of nice jeans that are actually still in his cupboard, so I can't show you now because my daughter's sleeping. I don't want to go in there and wake her up, but I mainly just got tops. I got some long sleeve tops and a little hoodie. So all these things are from Kmart. So I got this like teal greeny blue shirt that has words on it. Just a cute color, I like that. And then I got this like navy blue with the lightning bolts on it. Very cute. Got this sort of burgundy color. I love this color, and it's got like a monster truck on there, so of course he'll love that. And then he's really into earth moving equipment and stuff, so yeah, it's got like excavators and the dump truck and stuff like that on there, so he'll love that. He's 4, so loves all that stuff. Then I got this hoodie. It's black, but it's like a pinstripe. So it's not just boring black. Got like this little leather button sort of detail, and the lining of the hood is all fleecy, so it's gonna be nice and warm for him. Then I have a bunch of stuff for my daughter. I got her a pair of the little tights from Kmart, and they're a 2-pack. So these are just the pink ones. She's wearing the grey ones today. This is from the reject shop. I actually bought this for me, but it's a bit too small. So I tried it on her, and it's so freaking cute. It's adorable. Now, all these clothes for her are from Best and Less. It's got this little floral bodysuit. It's pink and it's got little like mustard colored flowers all over it. It's really cute. I think this was only like $4. I think it was really inexpensive. The dress she's wearing at the moment is almost identical pattern, but it's got little frills on the shoulders and like a little frilly skirt. It's really cute. Next I got this adorable little dress. It's like an autumn color floral pattern, and it's got little ruffles on the top of the shoulders and like tulle on the bottom of the skirt. It's so cute. I just can't even. I love this little dress so much. Then I got her this little knitted dress. How adorable is this? It's got little short sleeves and like cable knit detail on the front. I think this will just be so cute with little tights underneath. I can't wait to put her in this. And this came with this little headband, which is I think going to be a bit big on her. It's quite big, so I might have to like take it down a size. I have a sewing machine and I know how to sew, so that's no problem. Last clothing item, I got this little mint jumper. It's super soft. It's got this ruffle detailing down the front, and I just love this color. It's really lovely. And then a last little thing is like an accessory item. It's shoes, and they're ridiculous for a baby, but I couldn't resist because they're just look at these little boots. Look at them. Look at those boots. Oh my god. Little fringes and little bows. They're so cute. I just can't deal with how cute these are. Like, they match the color palette of the clothes really nicely, so yeah, I mean, she's gonna wear them for about 5 minutes before she grows out of them, but she's got actually really tiny feet considering I don't have small feet. My husband doesn't have small feet. My son definitely doesn't have, so we've all got big feet, and she's got these tiny little feet, so I'd love to know where that's come from. So these were a little big on her, so hopefully she can wear them for a while. So that's everything. When she wakes up, I'll show you the little outfit she's wearing. Today is the first day that it's actually quite cold inside. It's been sort of chilly in the evenings and in the mornings, but in the house has been pretty warm. Today it's a little bit nippy, so I have my Mother's Day cardi on, and I have on some fluffy socks today. Feet were freezing. Quick little haul. So I mentioned in my last vlog that my friend who works at Daiso was going to pick me up some acrylic drawers, and she did. She got me my acrylic drawers, so there's a bag full of them. And she also dropped off some Scentsy while she was here because she's my Scentsy lady. So right down the bottom there I have a big tub of Amazon Rain washer whiffs because I love these, and I just tried Amazon Rain recently. I got it in my January scent crate and I was really loving the scent. So we've also grabbed a 6-pack of scent circles. It's a lot of stuff with Scentsy. If you buy 6-pack, you get the 6 free. So it's like buy 5 get 1 free. So I got coconut lemongrass, sun-kissed citrus, pink haze, shimmer, sweet pea and vanilla, and crystal strawberry. Excited to try all those. And she is such a sweetheart. She bought me a Perk Me Up Bring Back My Bar. Because, guys, I have like a stupidly large Scentsy bar collection, but I really wanted this scent, and I took myself out of getting it, and she knew how much I wanted it, so she bought me one and brought it over. Isn't she such a sweetheart? And she also brought me this from Daiso. It's this little cat decorative tape. It's actually really cool. It works like correction tape, but it's decorative. I gave it a try out in my planner. It's really cute. So sweet when friends surprise you with little things like that. It really brighten up your day. So speaking of my stupid wax bar collection, this is what I have sitting on my counter. So I've got 6 there at the moment that I'm trying to use up. Those 2 at the bottom are kind of new, but they're just there because they've been in my scent crates and I haven't put them away yet. But these 4 I'm trying to use up. They're kind of older. And I also have 1 bar in my bedroom to go in my bedroom warmer, and I have 1 bar in my bathroom. I also have this box. And this is nearly full of wax bars, so probably can't really tell, but I think it's like, what, 5 bars deep, 6 bars deep up the back here, so it doesn't look like that many, but there's a lot in there. Like, some of them are starting to, like, this is probably one of my oldest Ocean bars, and it's starting to leak a little bit, because they can do that when they, I mean, they still work just fine, they just sort of leak the oil, especially probably because I live in Queensland as well, and it gets really, really damn hot here in the middle of summer. So because they are meant to go in the electric warmers that only heat up to body temperature, if it gets to sort of body temperature, they can start to sort of melt a little bit, but it doesn't hurt them. I still use them and they smell just as good. But I really do need to use the ones I have before I go buying more, because I have a really bad habit of just hoarding things. I'm just as bad with stickers and things like that, so I've really got to try not to hoard. I've got to use them before I buy new ones. Hey! Here's our little outfit that I was talking about. So it's that pink with that similar like floral print, and these little ruffles on the shoulder, the little skirt, and the little grey tights. Heaps of eyes. Yeah. Hey guys, it's Friday today, and my in-laws came to visit today, and they've taken our 2 little ones off to the park, so we've got some alone time. So in true grown-up style, we're going to do some gardening. And officially first day of winter, this is what we've got. This is our weather. It's a truly stunning afternoon. The best thing about living in Queensland is our winter time is just gorgeous. Our summers are horrible and sweltering and a nightmare, but winter is beautiful. Like, I'm literally outdoors in an off-the-shoulder top, and it's just beautiful. I've already gone ahead and potted my little palm. Don't mind the floor. This is one of those rooms that isn't finished. And my son's done some beautiful art on the walls. And I've potted this new little baby in the little pot that I bought last week. It looks so cute. I love it. I'm really happy with that. I just wanted to quickly show you guys the boots I ended up picking up last week. I realised I never showed you. So they're these ones. They're brown, and they've got buckle detailing on the sides and like a bit of a braided leather look around the ankle. Just a very low heel. They're nearly flat, but they're very comfortable. These from Williams. I think they were $90 full price, but I got $30 off with my Fusion Rewards, which is their rewards program, which is actually really good. You actually get a lot of points for the dollars you spend. So look at this adorable little muffin in a little knitty dress. Little boots. Is that not the cutest thing you've ever seen in your life? Guess where we're off to? Officeworks. the good one that has all the tombos. So this is cute. I'm really tempted by this. It's 5:30 in the evening and already full dark. Super casual today. I spent all morning studying. It's just after lunchtime now, so I'm gonna have a bit of a break. We're going to go and pick up our free plants from the council. I think we get about 8 free plants a year, so we're gonna go do that. Well, they are closed, which is a bit annoying, so they have some random opening hours, let me tell you. So we're off to a different nursery now. These are the things I ended up picking up from Officeworks the other night. I completely forgot to show you guys, so I'll come on and show you now. So I've got this beautiful blue Tombow 515. It's really beautiful, rich blue. And then I got the 95 light grey, just the shading. And I got this set of watercolours. I've been using my watercolour pencils and I'm just finding them kind of hard to work with and hard to use. So I thought I'd just pick myself up a cheap set of watercolours, and if I continue doing it, because I've been doing it for a bit now, if I keep it up, then I will splurge on some nicer ones next time I'm up at uni for res school, because my uni, if you watch my Instagram stories, you'll know my uni has an awesome art supply shop. So I'm going to give these a try. They're only $16, I think. Then I did end up picking up that weekly planner. It's probably a bit pricey for what it is, but there's lots of pages in there. There's 80 pages, so if I was using it every week, it would last me a year and a half easy. So, and I probably won't use it every week. I'll just use it for weeks where I'm really busy and I just want to like roughly plan out the week before I go and stick stickers in my weekly spread. And I just picked up a pack of 200 DSM card stock because I'm trying to do something new for my shop if I can get my bloody printer to cooperate, but that's a completely different story. So I've started using my June insert already, even though it doesn't actually start until the 4th, which is a little bit confusing, but the tracker starts on the 1st. So I filled out my habit tracker and I was saying to myself, there's no way I'll find enough habits to fill this. Yeah, it's full. So I'm hoping I can keep this up. I think it'll look really good all filled out. So probably not a heck of a lot of vlogging is going to get done again today because I'm studying probably all day. I have a test due at 9 AM tomorrow, which is Monday. 9 AM Monday. Why? So I'll have to do it tonight. I might be pulling an all-nighter on this one. It's chemistry and I am struggling a little bit grasping some of the concepts. So the problem is because my tests are online, they make them really hard. They make them very difficult. So because they're not supervised, so just makes it a little bit harder. You really have to study. You can't just sort of wing through it and hope for the best. I got 100% on my last one though, and I got a HD. I got 80 something % on my mid-semester exam, so I'm doing pretty well so far. But chem is it's next level. I'm just sitting in bed now. It's after 11. I just did my exam. I got a 70%, which is pretty good. It's not great. So I'm going to chill out now for a bit, watch a bit of YouTube, try and get some sleep, and then I'll get up early and try to get my second attempt in before 9. I do get 2 attempts for these quizzes and they take the highest grade, so whichever you score higher on is the one that gets submitted. Honestly, if 70% is the best I can do, then I'm pretty happy with that. Sorry that this vlog has been probably a little bit short and a bit boring. Just haven't had a lot of time to do anything with all the study that I have to do this week, and honestly next week's going to be even worse because it's my exam prep week and the week after that is my actual exams. So I don't know whether I will upload a vlog for next week or not. I don't know. I'll have to see how it goes, how much I actually get to vlog. There's not much point in just filming myself sitting there studying. It's pretty boring. I hope you enjoyed watching anyway. I do truly appreciate you taking time out of your day to watch my very boring little life. So I will say good night. I'll see you hopefully next week. Bye.